Your entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your family, boosts curb appeal, and helps keep your Clinton Township home comfortable year-round. Over time, even a well-made door can wear out due to Michigan's changing seasons, daily use, and natural aging. Knowing when it's time for an entry door replacement can save you money, improve security, and instantly refresh your home's appearance. Here are the most common signs homeowners in Clinton Township should watch for. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you feel cold air sneaking in during winter or warm air entering in summer, your entry door may no longer seal properly. Gaps around the frame, worn weather stripping, or warped materials allow air leaks that force your HVAC system to work harder. Many Clinton Township homeowners notice higher energy bills before realizing the door is the problem. A modern replacement door with proper insulation can dramatically improve indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Difficulty opening or closing the door. Your front door should open and close smoothly. If it sticks, drags along the floor, or refuses to latch correctly, that's a red flag. Seasonal temperature changes and moisture can cause doors to warp or frames to shift over time. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, persistent problems usually signal the need for a full entry door replacement to restore safety and ease of use. Visible damage or warping. Take a close look at your door's surface. Cracks, peeling, rust, dents, or noticeable warping are more than cosmetic issues. These problems weaken the structure of the door and can reduce security. In Clinton Township, exposure to snow, rain, and humidity accelerates wear, especially for older wood or metal doors. Replacing the door ensures your home stays protected and looks well cared for. Outdated style hurting curb appeal. Your entry door plays a huge role in first impressions. If it looks outdated or doesn't match your home's style anymore, it may be time for an upgrade. Modern entry doors come in a wide range of designs, colors, and finishes that can instantly enhance curb appeal. Many Clinton Township homeowners choose replacement doors as a simple way to increase property value without a full exterior renovation. Increased outside noise. A quality entry door helps block unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity. If sounds seem louder than they used to be, your door may have lost its insulating properties. New doors with solid cores and advanced sealing provide better sound reduction, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Security concerns. Your front door is your home's first line of defense. Older doors may have weakened frames, outdated locks, or materials that are easier to break through. If you don't feel fully secure, an entry door replacement is a smart investment. New doors offer reinforced cores, stronger frames, and modern locking systems that give Clinton Township homeowners greater peace of mind. Moisture between glass panels. If your entry door has glass inserts and you notice fogging or moisture trapped between the panes, the seal has failed. This reduces energy efficiency and affects visibility and appearance. In most cases, replacing the entire door is more cost-effective than attempting repairs. When replacement is the best choice, while small issues can sometimes be fixed, multiple signs often point to the need for a full replacement. A new entry door improves comfort, security, efficiency, and style all at once. For Clinton Township homeowners, it's an upgrade that pays off every day you walk through the door. If your entry door shows one or more of these signs, replacing it now can prevent bigger problems later, and give your home the welcoming, secure entrance it deserves.